FSG is excited to present for the opportunity to join you as your sustainable electrical and lighting solutions partner. With more than 30 years of experience and expertise in the commercial electrical and lighting disciplines, FSG brings our commitment to excellence to every project and challenge we undertake. From in-house design and engineering to state-of-the-art project tracking, FSG has the people and the tools to answer any commercial electrical or lighting challenge, no matter the size. FSG's team of auditors, estimators, designers, and engineers will develop and design the solution that meets your specific needs. Our in-house project management team will deliver your project on time and on budget. Dedicated teams of safety-focused journeyman electricians and apprentices know the importance of doing the job right. With one of the lowest EMRs in the industry, FSG takes pride in our men and women in the field who work hard daily to make sure every FSG job site is a safe job site. Couple FSG's outstanding safety record with FSG's strong, solid financial footing, and we become so much more than just another electrical and lighting contractor. We become a part of your team. Direct relationships with leading manufacturers and a nationwide distribution network of FSG-owned and operated warehouses allows us to procure and deliver material quickly and efficiently.
At FSG, our commitment to sustainable solutions is less about wire, fixtures, and nodes, and more about partners, relationships, and common goals. With this in mind, FSG seeks to not only provide electrical and lighting solutions, but also answer challenges in structured cabling, exterior and interior signage, energy management, AV design, installation, and so much more. With in-house teams dedicated to these disciplines, FSG stands ready as a single source provider, ready to bring the ultimate turnkey solution to your next new construction, remodel, or build-out project.
From warehouses to retail, from military offices to corporate offices, from clean rooms to the dirtiest industrial facilities, FSG is equipped, prepared, and experienced. At FSG, we realize that lighting and electrical service may not be your core business, but it is ours. FSG is committed to being the best in our business so you can be the best in yours. We thank you for the opportunity to present FSG, and we look forward to answering any questions you may have. To reach us directly, scan the following QR code with your mobile device or reach out to us through email or telephone.